namaskar, and welcome to the 8th Spirit Talk. I'm Richa Anirudh, and on behalf of the Pramerica Spirit of Community Awards, I welcome you all to the Spirit Talk. Pramerica Spirit of Community Awards appreciate, acknowledge, and reward the efforts of community service done by young student volunteers. Over past many years, every year, a lot of student volunteers have been rewarded by the Pramerica Spirit of Community Awards. And this year, we are organizing these Spirit Talks to introduce you to some of those students who've been awarded in the past. And also we invite one such prominent citizen from the society whose life and work embodies the values of community service and the values being portrayed through the Pramerica Spirit of Community Awards. So let me introduce today's guests to you. Our student volunteers are Avi Chopra and Sukhman Singh. Avi has developed an app called Quick Medic, and Sukhman Singh uses Nukkad Natak as a medium to spread awareness about environmental and social issues. And a very special guest this evening is Rahul Ishwar, who is a very well-known face on national television, but he's also Director of Education at Lifeology. So let's first welcome Rahul Ishwar.
Thank you so much for the welcome, Rishaji. It's always an honor and a pleasure to be here. I believe this kind of initiatives where we inspire our children to contribute back to society and make them meaningful citizens and cosmopolitans will help us and humanity go and grow a long way, because there are a lot of people and society that needs help and assistance. And it is our duty, our social and civic responsibility to inspire our children to be good citizens, good Samaritans and cosmopolitans. Thank you.
Yes, of course. Rahul ji, I have to say this. We watch you so frequently in various debates on national television. But you're also Director of Education at Lifeology.
Yeah.
And you are a lifologist. So first of all, tell us about Lifeology and who is a lifologist?
Lifeology is a Guinness World Record winning career edtech system. We are partners of Uttar Pradesh State Government, Karnataka State Government, and also of GEMS Dubai. We have footprints across Dubai, especially Middle East, London, and then different parts of India. Lifeology is basically understanding a person's life in the perspective of the occupational ecosystem, his career, his education, life, his giving back to society. So we deal with school children mainly from the age group of 8 to 12 and their parents. And Lifeology is about this is the age group we deal with. Lifeology is about meaningfully taking out their skills, discovering their destiny. We have psychometric assessment, we have upskilling, we have mentoring, these kind of sessions. And this is a way of inspiring students to be holistic individuals, true Indians and true human beings who can meaningfully get to those places where they are destined to and also contribute back to society.
Yeah, but Rahulji, I'm sure you'll agree, this part of parenting or our education system has been a major concern in, past few years, several years, in fact. Because itna pressure बच्चों पर आ गया है, we're trying to make them so competitive. और इतने छोटे बच्चों को मैं देखती हूँ कि, parents are telling them ये करना, ये tuition, ये coaching, you have to prepare for engineering and medical and all of that. So
you have to learn coding from the fourth standard, preferably something else from the third standard. Yeah.
So how do you do this differently? कि बच्चों पर pressure नहीं होना चाहिए, and how are you telling the parents? Are you bringing a change in this whole scenario?
There are two things. Even when we were trying to connect to you, there were some tech issues, or even when we are connecting to mobile, we are having a lot of issues. So usually a person that is an expert can help us out in saying that this is okay. This should be changed. Why don't you try something new? Everything in the world comes with a manual or a person to guide or something. But unfortunately, the greatest gifts of life comes without a manual. That's our children. And unfortunately, in India, this whole idea of parenting as an art and as a science and as a thing that we have to study, that has not very much evolved in India. It was there in our ancient India. We had uncles and aunts who could help us groom our children in a much more meaningful and better way. So whichever school we are into, we first tell them, please remember, parenting is the first session we have to take. And parenting is a skill that you have to learn, is a set of knowledge that you have to earn. Unfortunately, our parents are not equipped with that. Parenting is not merely common sense. Parenting is not merely grapevine. All those things you listen or read from internet, they are good enough. Nobody's saying no. But at the same point of time, we need expert guidance on to guide mentor, fulfill, and handhold these children who are gift of existence, if or gift of God or gift of nature, whichever way you want to call it. So we start a parenting session, help parent to empower these children, making parenting a fun experience, a great experience, and also give them scientific inputs beyond a mere common sense understanding of what parenting is.
एक और चीज है इसमें राहुल जी, no child is same. My child will be very different to your child. So how does a lifeologist decides on what kind of a path needs to be planned for a child?
Thank you, Rishaji. That's the first thing we address. See, I usually say, people ask me, what is the proof of God or something beyond or anything or regarding parenting. The first thing I start is, see, the population of India is around 130 crores, nearing to almost, say, 130 crores. The population of the world is around 700 crores. The number of human beings born in our particular race called Homo sapiens is around 10,000 crores in the past 50,000 years. The science estimates, the demographic trends estimate there are around 10,000 crore people who live like you and me and have perished from this earth. And modern science ascertain that out of this 10,000 crores, not even one person has the same fingerprint. Not even one person has the same retina scan. Not even one person has the same ear structure. That's a new emerging area. So every person is very unique. So understanding this uniqueness is extremely important before we delve into anything regarding our children. Right now, you might have heard theories about multiple intelligence. Multiple intelligence is one of the more prominent theories that our teachers, especially, we take a lot of training for school teachers and college teachers. Every person is gifted with 9 different sets of intelligences. This is called the framework of the multiple intelligence theory. So every person is a unique permutation and combination of these 9 different set of intelligences, and we have to figure out which person is better with what, and we need to inspire. For example, Spirit of Community Awards. Students who are more into interpersonal skills, social skills, would be naturally more inclined to give back to the society first. Their interpersonal intelligence should be high. Their empathy levels should be high. So if a person is naturally low on it, we can use it by nurture. And please remember, the core paradigm is nature plus nurture. For the past almost 200 years, there was a debate. I studied philosophy in philosophy and science circle regarding what is a human being. Is he nature or is he or she nurture? So the modern understanding is a person is nature plus nurture. That means heredity plus environment. And we have to nurture both.
So, Rahul, before I introduce our, young student volunteers to you who've been associated with the Pramerica Spirit of Community Awards in the past, एक छोटी सी बात मैं जरूर चाहूंगी कि आप समझाएं हमारे सारे youngsters को. Although Pramerica Spirit of Community Awards was started in the US and they were brought to India in 2010, but community service has been a very intrinsic part of our culture, India's ancient culture, seva parmo dharma. So if you could elaborate a little bit and, tell the teenagers, tell the young volunteers who are watching, how important community service has been to Indian culture and civilization.
Yeah, Richaji, the concept of charity is not there in Indian civilization because we didn't believe in the idea of charity. Charity has an implicit sense of superiority on the person who gives and a kind of inferiority on the person who receives. We believed in sharing. But, yes, there are many uses of the idea of charity. We cannot deny that. It's a global reality. At the same point of time, Indian culture and civilization and our ethos believed in the idea of sharing. And please remember, everybody is poor in one or the other way. Somebody has lack of money, somebody has lack of relationship, somebody has lack of power leverages, somebody has lack of social recognition. We are all poor in one or the other way. So it is up to those people who has something to share so that there can be a sense of equanimity, there can be a sense of equilibrium in the society. That was our idea. But over the years, we have had many mistakes, but it is up to us to correct and elevate this idea of sharing in the world so that we can share resources in a more meaningful way. We can share happiness in a more meaningful way. We can share well-being to whole humanity in a more meaningful way. That's the core idea of what we say, the very popular cliche called Loka Samasta Sugino Bhavantu or Vasudhaiva Kudumbakam, or the whole idea. And please remember, India is perhaps the only civilization that has such great dictums. People who live inside Indian civilization don't realize the value of these words. It's because we whenever we are, even brought up from the childhood, we hear a lot of platitudes or huge dialogues or, bombastic philosophy like this. But we are the only civilization who we never believed India samasta suhino bhavantu or Bharat samasta suhino bhavantu. We believed in that idea of whole humanity being one family, and that's the idea, a globalized world in a new age we can have. And I genuinely believe India and US, especially a nation like US, I had the privilege of being a guest for a US program 3 days before. I'm again going to the New Jersey program in 2 days. So this whole idea of sharing the best of Eastern civilization and the best of Western culture can do a lot of good to humanity.
Wow. So now I think it's time for me to introduce to you our two very young student volunteers who've got involved in community service in one way or the other. And these are the people who are, inspiring the others, and they are an inspiration. So Avi Chopra, who's developed an app called Quick Medic. So what is this app all about? We'll hear from Avi. And Sukhman Singh, who uses the medium of Nukkad Nataks to spread awareness regarding the environment and social issues. So Avi and Sukhman, welcome to the Spirit Talk.
Hello.
Thank you, ma'am.
तो चलिए पहले थोड़ा और डिटेल में समझ लेते हैं आपका काम क्या है. So अभी पहले आप बताइए, what is Quick Medic all about?
So basically, Quick Medic is an app-based platform that offers real-time access of ambulances. So it's similar to how Uber Ola works. So with the press of a button, you can call the nearest ambulance. You can decide between the two types of ambulances, advanced life support and basic life support. You can see how far the ambulance is and how much time the ambulance is going to come. And you can see the live GPS tracking of the ambulance. You can also see how far the hospital is and how much time it's going to take once the ambulance has picked you up to reach the hospital. That's majorly the idea of Quick Medic. And that's how Quick Medic works. Majorly. And that's the whole idea.
How old were you, Avi, when you started this app?
I was 13 years old when I thought of the idea. And now the app's also launched on Google Play Store, so you can download it.
My God. When we were 13, what were we doing? I don't remember. Okay. Sukhman, talking about your Nukkad Nataks, tell us more. What are the kind of environment and social issues that you address?
Yeah, ma'am, I use the method of Nukkad Nataks, public engagements, interactions to spread awareness in the society and educate the society on various environmental and social issues. Ma'am, environmental issues like lack of sanitization, cutting of trees, deforestation, ma'am, the use of plastic, the maximum use of plastic these days. So, ma'am, we engage the audience with stories, with interactions, with different themes and plays, so that they focus more on us. And I think that Nukkad Nataks and theatre, they, ma'am, help the individuals to retain the information, to get the knowledge in a more impactful manner as compared to the boring, lectures or conversations.
Yeah.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am, and I think that engaging people in their own language, in their regional language like Hindi, Punjabi, that is very much in use in North India, where we live in Delhi. Ma'am, I use the Nukkad Natak in Hindi, in Punjabi, or in bilingual, so that they get the knowledge or get the message what I'm talking about.
Wow. Rahul, see these bright young student volunteers. You want to ask them something?
And I know, I'm simply awed by them. Avi and Sukhman, when we were 13, we were playing gully cricket. Hum to gully ghum raha tha, and you are doing something great. And this is the power of technology. Please don't think government is a messiah who can turn everything around. No, it is up to you, government, civil society, we all, so that we can contribute in our own humble way. And please don't mistake ourselves to be any kind of saviors who can change everything overnight. It doesn't happen like this. But we are those people, just like, especially when Christmas is coming, a widow, when the widow was giving his wholehearted to the Jesus Christ said she has contributed more than the millionaires of that time, because she has given all that she could. Or what we call in Ramayana, a squirrel running over the Ramasetu bridge, which was being built, and the squirrel was simply pouring over some kind of sand, which is insignificant. But Sri Ram said this is very meaningful, because that's the sincerity and intention that matters. And we can make some meaningful and profound changes. We may not be able to do great things, but we can do small things with great love, like Mother Teresa.
And we can bring about a big change.
Exactly. And automatically it becomes big. and automatically it becomes big. See, nobody can do one big bang. It doesn't happen like in movies. In 2.5 hours, the entire nation gets cleansed. It doesn't happen like that. Only, we always say, boon boon se sagar banta hai. It's only by those simple drops that a huge change can be there. And I'm more than hopeful seeing people like you, because, honestly confessing, until the age of say 18 or 20, I had never much idea of social service. Yes, I used to go for Gandhi Jayanti, cleaning streets. I used to go for things. These were all given to me. But you guys have thought about it, have spent your thought energy and mental energy to do it. Please do, lead us to a much more better future by bringing initiatives. And I believe it is up to our youngsters to lead and us to facilitate.
Yeah.
And I think this community spirit awards all are inspiring you to be meaningful leaders, not only for India, but also worldwide, so that there can be a better humanity in many more years to come. So I'm simply awed by what you have done. Proud of you. Yeah.
In fact, I wanted to ask Avi and Sukhman. कई बार ये होता है ना कि a lot of people say, "अरे अभी this is the time to study. Why are you wasting time on other stuff?" So two questions, Avi and Sukhman both. What made you get into community service in this way, and why chose Quick Medic or Nukkad Nataks? And what was the reaction from people around you? Did they actually tell you कि सब मत करो and just focus on your studies? So Avi.
So for me, what actually motivated me what the incident that happened that motivated me to create this application was that one of my close relatives had actually fallen unconscious 2-3 years ago. And so when his wife called an ambulance, the hospital is only 3 kilometers away from our house. So it took approximately 1 hour for the ambulance to come. And when it came, it had inadequate supplies. Like there wasn't any structure and stuff. So they eventually had to take him in the car. And he reached, if he had reached like 15-20 minutes later, then he wouldn't have survived. So that's what really clicked me, that that requires transparency in the ambulance industry. So that's how I created this application. And my main aim is to serve mankind through this application and contribute back to society. That's what the whole idea is.
Yeah. And what did the people around you say?
My parents have always been very supportive, and they always encouraged me to create certain applications. They have a few other campaigns which I run. So they've always been very, very encouraging in these matters.
Okay. Sukhman, जैसे कहते हैं ना, practice before you preach. So जब आप नुक्कड़ नाटक करते हैं, so my same question, what motivated you to take up environmental and social issues? Do you also strongly feel about them? And again, what did people say to you?
Ma'am, before getting into this community services, ma'am, I perform theater. So, ma'am, when I was selected in the student council of my school, Manasthali school, ma'am, I thought that my performance was restricted in an auditorium and in front of the viewers that are already very educated, and they have come from high class societies, that why not perform something and educate the society in their own language in front of a large section of the society, so that they get educated about what is happening in the society and how to improve. So, ma'am, I perform in front of them. Yes, ma'am, this was the issue. So, ma'am, I personally feel that the society, all our surroundings have placed enough resources in our hands. Ma'am, every day is a payback day.
True. So, लोगों ने क्या कहा? What did your parents and everyone say? ये तो नहीं कहा कि you're wasting your time?
Some people, yes, ma'am, they definitely said that why are you performing in front of people that are not from rich societies and labor? So, ma'am, we perform in front of everybody. Migrants, laborers, rural areas. We go near Juggi, Jhopadi, so that, ma'am, they need the awareness. They don't have television in their home. They do their job from morning to evening. They don't have enough resources so that they can be educated. We need to perform, ma'am, and they constitute a large number in our society. So, ma'am, we need to educate them.
Yeah, very true. Rahulji, in fact, this is a very important issue that I take up in every Spirit Talk. All these, young students who are growing up in the metros and studying in the best of schools in the country, and how they need to be connected, how the gap needs to be bridged between them and an underprivileged child or children growing up in rural areas, and that's so important and that's probably our responsibility as parents, as educators.
And thank you, Richaji, for raising it, because there are not many media people, or our mainstream narrative doesn't bridge this divide. Let's be very honest about this. There is a huge divide in India. There is a digital divide. There is an economic divide. See, it is impossible to almost heal it perfectly, but at the same point of time, we can keep on building bridges. That's the possible responsibility we need to have, knowing perfectly well, however bridges we build, there are still a lot more to do. So this divide, this bridging the divide, is a very important aspect that we have to take care. The schools, the colleges, the educational system has to take care, and individual civil societies have to take care. You see, we are all fortunate, and please remember, it is not only our charity, it's our duty, it's our sharing, it's our responsibility. And also remember, always remember, poverty anywhere is a threat to prosperity everywhere. Poverty anywhere,
Anywhere is a threat
prosperity
to
everywhere.
Wow.
Should I repeat? The poverty anywhere is a threat to prosperity everywhere. So this is a society is an ecosystem. So if it's something like we always say, we always have to take care of the lowest person, or the person who is in the lowest economic strata, so that the society can thrive. The strength of a chain lies in the weakest link. And there are many weak links in the Indian society, in the African society, many spaces of European society. It's up to the mainstream, the privileged society, the middle class and the upper middle class and the upper class of the society, to take note of these issues and address in a very possible for us.
So moving ahead, let's talk about Pramerica Spirit of Community Awards, because I very strongly feel that it's a very big way to encourage and appreciate young student volunteers to and appreciation is very important, क्योंकि आप उनको जब वो एक पहचान देंगे और आप उनको सम्मान देंगे कि वो जो कर रहे हैं वो बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं in those early years of life, probably they'll be motivated to continue their good work. So Sukhman and Avi, let's hear about your journey with Pramerica Spirit of Community Awards, your experience.
So I applied for the Pramerica Awards in 2019. I got selected as a silver finalist, and we also were invited to a 5-star hotel for the finals. So it was very well organized, and there were very professional jurists who judged us. And it was a very well organized event overall. And kudos to Pramerica and the Spirit of Community Awards for organizing such a great event.
Sukhman?
Yeah, ma'am, I was in class 12th when I got called from the school, and they asked me to fill the form of Pramerica. So, ma'am, I did not expect anything that what I do for the society or for my acting, I will get a reward in return. But, ma'am, it's wonderful on the part of Pramerica. Once, ma'am, they recognize that something is happening in the society, and awareness is also something that we must ensure in the society. So, ma'am, kudos to them for recognizing.
But tell me, after this recognition, have you been motivated enough कि आप ये जो भी काम कर रहे हैं, social work, community service के लिए, वो आप आगे पूरी जिंदगी continue करेंगे, या फिर वही जो एक rat race में हम सब चले जाते हैं, careers and family, all of that, and then we just tend to lose the direction?
I think I'll continue my project even after graduating from school and from college. And my school always has motivated me to continue everything I do, the Shram Scholar Ravli, and my parents have also been very supportive. And Pramerica and the Spirit of Community Awards were a great morale booster and a great motivator for me to continue these awards, for me to continue Quick Merit ahead even after my graduation and even after I passed my 12th.
Great. Sukhman, ये community service continue रहेगी?
यस मैम, बिल्कुल रहेगी मैम. अब गवर्नमेंट लेवल पे एक लेवल अब इसको और लेके आगे जाएंगे तो नेशनल सर्विस स्कीम जो एनएसएस है, गवर्नमेंट एडेड और जो गवर्नमेंट रिकॉग्नाइज्ड है, तो मैम यहाँ जाना चाहेंगे. और मैम माय एम एंड माय career, ma'am, it's more than a profession, it's a serve to humanity. Ma'am, I want to be a IPS officer so that I can be very close to the people and understand their problems. And on the field, ma'am, IPS is only one in this country that is very much connected to the people, very much close to the people, and he also has the knowledge. He already has the knowledge and the experiences and the exposure, so that he does not have to go to another authority to help the people. He himself is authority, so that he can directly help to the people and understand their issues.
Okay, so there's some information for all the viewers who are watching us. अगर आप खुद एक young student volunteer हैं जो community service करते हैं, or you know any young student volunteer, please ask them to apply for this year's Pramerica Spirit of Community Awards. The last date to apply is 31st January 2021. And how to apply? The website is www.spiritofcommunityindia.com. पहले के सालों से बहुत सारे बदलाव इस बार हुए हैं because of the COVID situation here. There are scholarships worth 3.5 lakhs, and there are trophies, certificates for student volunteers. This year, the students, volunteers who win will not be able to go to US like previous years, but that's why the scholarship is being given out to them. But please, I think more than the award, that recognition and that appreciation of the good work that our youngsters do is very, very important, as I said, because that might motivate them to continue in future also. So अगर आप ऐसे किसी भी youngster को जानते हैं, so please spread the word across. और एक बड़ी interesting चीज है हमारे पास राहुल आज. I'd ask Sukhman if before saying bye bye, he could give us a glimpse of the Nukkad Natak that he does,
Yes,
and how they
very
spread the message. So Sukhman,
Yeah.
let's see.
Ma'am, a Hindi poem, ma'am, for the environmental issues and the hazards happening in the environment. सांसों को भी मिलना मुश्किल हुआ, शुद्ध पवन का झोंका, मस्ती और खुशियों के नाम पर कैसा हो रहा ये धोखा, अपना सुख शांति हमने कैसी आंख में जा फेंका, ए मानव अपने इस दुष्कर्म को तूने क्यों नहीं रोका, बम बारूदों की ये कैसी आंधी आई, खुद अपने ही हाथों हमने अपनी चिता सजाई, खुद अपने ही हाथों हमने अपनी चिता सजाई. Ma'am, and we said in the beginning, ma'am, we have a plan B, but we don't have a planet B. So, ma'am, it's our planet, it's our home, and charity begins from home. So, ma'am, we have to ensure the development of the society, and as well as in development, we have to conserve the society and conserve the environment.
Yeah, and he said it so beautifully here. So I can imagine जब नुक्कड़ नाटक करते होंगे with all the feel, तो आप कितने अच्छे से बोलते होंगे.
We can imagine the impact.
Yeah, we can. And it's very important to reach every person of the society. हम ये नहीं कह सकते कि ये लोग नहीं करते हैं या वो लोग नहीं करते हैं. हम में से हर कोई जिम्मेदार है चीजें बिगाड़ने के लिए भी और उन्हीं चीजों को ठीक करने के लिए भी. All of us are responsible.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am, I believe that we have to use our freedom of speech and expression. That is a fundamental right for the benefit of the society. We have to speak for the welfare of the society, for the benefit of the society. And if different sections of the society come together, our planet, our community, our society will definitely shine.
And if I can add one more thing, please remember, intellectual understanding alone is not enough. You have to touch hearts. See, intellectual understanding is one thing. That's very important too. We need a reason, rationale. We need a course of. But more important is, unless you are inspired in the soul, like our late Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam says, unless your soul is on fire, unless the ignition doesn't come from the soul and inspiration from the heart, nothing will change. Otherwise, we will talk about change. We will write books about change. We will conduct seminars about change. But no meaningful change will happen unless it inspires your heart and ignites your soul. And I'm absolutely sure you two youngsters, and especially this beautiful idea of awards, can inspire the heart and ignite the soul.
Yeah, and Abhi, I also want to share something very personal with you. Recently, I've had an experience of taking my mother to the hospital. और कई बार क्या होता है, you don't realize the problems of the society till you actually face one yourself.
Exactly.
And now I can understand the importance of getting an ambulance on time. Although we did not take her in the ambulance, we took her in the car.
Exactly.
But there were options of discussing, thinking, ambulance sahi hogi ya nahi hogi. So all the questions that you were addressing, I've gone through those.
Exactly.
Whether we get
helps
an
in
ambulance, whether
contemplating
we
why
come on
don't
time.
we take a car or ambulance also. It really helps
Yeah,
in
so-
contemplating.
No, so as I said, once, because I've just recently gone through that experience, I can understand the importance of your work. And environment, of course, Sukhman, एक इतना important issue है, इस पर तो हर वक्त बात होती रहनी चाहिए. So आप दोनों को बहुत सारी best wishes. Continue doing the good work and please do spread the word about the Pramerica Spirit of Community Awards. And अगर आपका कोई भी दोस्त, any friend is doing good community service, please ask them to apply for this year's awards. And Rahul, thank you so much for joining us and giving those insights into ancient culture and civilization and how community service is such an intrinsic part of our culture. Your closing statements, if any?
Acknowledgement and appreciation are two ways of reinforcing behavior and inspiring our thoughts. I believe the Spirit of Community Awards is just doing that. And I think may your tribe grow, may your idea radiate across India, because that's one way we can give back to society. And thank you for letting me meet these two wonderful youngsters. Maybe, it's the youth, you can lead us. Thank you so much. And it's definitely a privilege on my part.
Thank you. And may you, as a lifologist, encourage many more youngsters to get into community service.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.